Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Just a quick disclaimer before we will start. I highly recommend to enter the link which is in the description box, because you will be transferred to our website, which is dedicated directly for this model, for this device, and you will be able to check the secret codes and, for example, copy them and paste them if you don't want to enter them manually. So I highly recommend to check it. And right now we can start. So let's open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me start with probably the most popular one, which is asterisk pound 06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number, for example, of this device. Let me tap on OK, and before I'll show you another code, I just want to turn off the sounds. And let me show you another code, which is pretty similar to the previous one. It is asterisk pound 07 pound. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we can open the certificates, so we can check the model, the type of your device, etc. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which will open the diagnostic information. It is asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk pound asterisk. And as I said, we're in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected, and the signal level also should appear right here. Let's tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also show advanced view. Just tap on it and then tap on the status. And here we've got much more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk pound asterisk. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which will open the testing menu. And the code is asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk pound asterisk. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Let's start with Wi-Fi info. Here we've got also another sections like API configuration and the status, and I will pick the status. We can refresh the stats here, and as you can see, we can check the information just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let's go back to the usage statistics, and basically here we should have, and for some reason we do not, we should have the list of all apps and processes which are currently on the device with the usage time. For some reason it is not here. I have no idea, probably it is because it's a new device, so I did not really use it a lot. I have no idea. Alright, we can also enter the phone information, and here we've got the info, just like the email number, the car network, data service, or voice service. We can also run ping tests here. We've got the results, some more information. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also enable the data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.